tip, map, short and long term fuel trims. My air to fuel ratio. Staying pretty consistent. I don't know if you can hear it missing. Double check engine light. Hold swift. RPM. Spark. No knock. 81 degrees outside. Knock voltage, battery voltage. RO. Fan kicked on. At 180 degrees, 170 something. Long and short term trims. I do have the boost box. Probably why my tip and map are off, I guess. Throttle. Again, no check engine lights. I'm gonna keep the log going. I'm gonna walk around here as my air to fuel again. I mean, it's staying pretty consistent. This is my Subaru right here. I'm trying to make a joke of it. I'm really mad. Pretty consistent. This is my little ghetto rig for now, but does the trick. I disconnected my AEM failsafe. It didn't make a difference anyway. I put some tape around it so it didn't touch anything. Chilling right there. Alright, I'll go through this again. It's really hot. Now it's idling better. Crappy idle. Idling good again. 3 and 4 look good. There's my crappy idle. Idle's good. Crappy idle. Again. Yeah, it's idling pretty bad. Plug it back in, it picks back up. one don't sound as bad. I'll pull the rail off in here just shortly and check the injectors out, make sure they're good. It does sound bad when I unplug it. And all the spark plugs are pushed in good. That's a brand new coil right there. There's my old one. Didn't make a difference at all. There we go, now I gotta check engine light. Alright, I'll go ahead and stop the log. I'll save it, number 4. While it's saving, see if I can check these codes. Still can't use that. O201, O202, O203. Looks like all the injector codes. O204. Yeah, it looks like all the injector codes. I did unplug them all, so that does make sense. So I'll let the log load up and I'll post it. Appreciate all the help, guys.